Robert Kiyosaki's 6 Rules of Investing, Secrets to Wealth in 2025. What separates the rich from everyone else? It's not luck, it's mindset. In this video, we'll uncover Robert Kiyosaki's 6 rules of investing to help you achieve financial freedom. These simple, powerful principles can transform how you think about money, risks, and opportunities. Let's dive in. The rich focus on acquiring assets, things that put money in their pockets. Liabilities, on the other hand, drain income. Are you investing in assets like property or stocks, or are you stuck paying for liabilities? This awareness is foundational for building long-term wealth. Investing is a skill, and skills can be learned. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education. Read books, watch videos, and understand market trends. The more you know, the more confident and capable you'll be in making smart investment decisions in 2025 and beyond. Wealth creation requires risk, but not every risk pays off. Kiyosaki recommends calculated risks. Research potential opportunities, weigh your options, and invest with purpose. Shying away from risk only keeps you stuck, while smart risks pave the way for growth and success. Relying on one source of income is limiting and dangerous. The wealthy create several income streams, such as rentals, dividends, or business profits. Diversification protects you and accelerates wealth building. Start thinking about how you can generate your next revenue stream. Your network determines your net worth. Surround yourself with investors, mentors, and others who inspire you to grow. Their experience and insight can help you avoid costly mistakes and identify big opportunities. Who are you learning from today? The financial world is evolving fast, and Kiyosaki urges investors to adapt. From crypto to green energy, the opportunities are endless if you stay informed. Research upcoming markets and position yourself as a frontrunner in these lucrative spaces. The secrets to wealth aren't hidden, they're actionable. Start by applying these rules to your life. Build your first asset, network with like-minded people, or invest in a financial book today. Success starts with action, so don't just watch this video. Begin your journey to financial freedom now.